everybody, another day, another dollar. Today is Monday. Looks like we have another wild and volatile session ahead in financial markets. So let's jump right into things. These are the top 5 things I'll be watching today. Starting off at number 1. President Trump extended the current CDC guidelines for social distancing until the end of April, despite earlier talks of reopening the economy by Easter. That comes as the number of cases and deaths in the U.S. continues to rise at an alarming rate. The total number of cases is now approaching 145,000, with total deaths at almost 2,500, according to data from Johns Hopkins University. Globally, there are now more than 720,000 confirmed cases, with total deaths approaching 35,000, as the epicenter of the outbreak has moved from China over to Italy, Spain, and the US. So keep your eyes on any developments on that front as the session progresses. On to number 2. Wall Street looks set for another day of volatility and big price swings. After fluctuating between gains and losses throughout most of the night, Dow futures are now pointing to a flat open. Obviously, as we approach the opening, I'm sure that we'll start seeing extreme moves in either direction, as this volatility is likely to remain elevated in the days ahead. Last week, stocks bounced nearly 20% off their lows, leading many to debate whether a bottom has in fact been set in, or whether we need to retest those levels from earlier this month. So obviously that is something to look on as we go forward. On to number 3. In commodities markets, oil prices taking another tumble, with WTI prices now trading at their lowest levels, near the lowest levels since 2002. The pandemic obviously continues to hit global demand, while the price war between Saudi Arabia and Russia remains unresolved. That has led to a just unprecedented rout in oil prices throughout the first quarter. WTI is off by 60% so far this year. On to number 4. In Treasuries, bond yields are moving lower as Treasuries move higher, as fears mount really that the extended measures to contain the spread of the coronavirus outbreak will drag the global economy into a recession. The yield on the 10-year Treasury note is currently down at 0.67%. Just a couple weeks ago, we were at near 1.3%. So obviously just major swings in the bond markets. And finally, number 5, on the data front, there's not much on the U.S. session aside from pending home sales. So we'll be looking forward towards China PMI data due at 9 p.m. Eastern time. It's kind of late, but obviously it has the potential to impact market sentiment. We'll be seeing if China has managed, in fact, to restart its economy following the extreme measures it took to contain the spread of the coronavirus outbreak over there. So that data comes out at 9 p.m. Eastern time. Check out Investing.com's economic calendar for when that is released. That's it for me. Have a great day, everybody. As always, head over to Investing.com's YouTube page. Hit the subscribe button so that you'll get notifications on these videos. May the trading gods be with you. Have a good day, everybody, and stay safe.